You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I said correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names of celebrities, music celebrities, and many more, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It comes from French. The French pronunciation is Lavigne. Lavigne. Vigne in French is vine, as in the grapevine, meaning the vine. That's the French meaning. So you got a ñ sound, Lavigne in French, Lavigne. In English, however, it's usually pronounced more as Lavigne, as in Avril Lavigne. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.